When it comes to municipal pressure washing, you don't want just any setup. You want the right one. Built for the job, ready for the long haul. That's exactly what we do at Universal Trailer and American Water Works. We specialize in heavy-duty pressure washer trailers engineered specifically for municipal use. The kind of equipment that shows up every day and performs like it means it. Hot water, cold water, custom configurations, stainless steel builds. We put it all together so your crew can focus on the work. Every trailer we build is made to meet the real demands of city and county operations. Solid, professional-grade machinery that gets the job done. From street cleaning to drainage maintenance, we've got the solution that fits your fleet and your budget. Ready to upgrade your municipal pressure washing equipment? Give us a call and we'll help you build the right setup.